So one of the things we're really excited about is just expanding everyone's experience and knowledge of the breadth of Michael Richards' really prolific, decade-long artistic practice. Michael Richards' artist statement. Does the glass ceiling, which excludes, also reflect the desire to belong? My current body of work investigates the tension between assimilation and exclusion. By focusing on issues of identity and identification, I attempt to examine the feelings of doubt and discomfort which face Blacks who wish to succeed in a system which is structured to deny them access.
How do systems of representation and the portrayal of success both seduce and repel? I wish primarily to give voice to the psychic spaces in which exist both hope and frustration, faith and failure, and the compromises which must be negotiated in order to survive. Though the issues which inform the work may be seen as primarily political, I use the language of metaphor to express them. The use of feathers and tar, mirrors and ladders, the concept of flight as both freedom and surrender, all attempt to open a metaphorical space into which the viewer can be seduced.
This space allows for an examination of the psychic conflict which results from the desire to both belong to and resist a society which denies Blackness even as it affirms. In attempting to make this pain and alienation concrete, I use my body, the primary locus of experience, as a die from which to make casts. These function as surrogates and as an entry into the work.